Amy is at the farmer's market and she's finding things that are red. Welcome. Let's read, I see red. The special word in this story is the sight word, red. Red. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. My wagon is red. My wagon is red. I see red strawberries. I see red strawberries. I see red apples. I see red apples. I see red tomatoes. I see red tomatoes. I see red peppers. I see red peppers. And look at the watermelon. And look at the watermelon. The watermelon is red, too. The watermelon is red, too. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green, red. Can you read this page? It says, my wagon is red. Can you also read this page? It says, I see red apples. Read. What does Amy see? Red tomatoes. It says, I see red tomatoes. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Red. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word red. First, can you find the word red? Which is the word red? Red. Again, find the word red. Here it is. Red. Last one. What letter does the word red start with? Red. It's R. Red. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.